Okay guys, welcome back to the Jack of All Trades channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take the Windows 10 update and disable it. What this is going to do is put the downloads into a queue so that you have to accept them for download before installation. What this does is if you're a DaVinci Resolve user or you have lots of applications that are very sensitive to Windows updates, you can disable Windows 10 updates so that you can choose what you want installed in your system. I've had two systems crash. I woke up in the morning and at 12 midnight the Windows update kicks on, updates, and then before you know it my graphics driver doesn't work, another program doesn't work, and it's just a mess. So you're better just to disable it if you're running certain applications on your Windows 10. This applies to Windows 10 Professional Edition. So we're going to take you over to the computer and show you guys how to disable it. Okay guys, we're at the computer. We're going to search for Windows Update by going to the search box and typing in Windows Update, settings, and then we're going to click on the option up at the top here. And you're going to see I've already set the group policy for Windows Update, and what this does is it disables the updates so that way you can choose to download whatever updates are available, as you can see here. This is important because, like I said about the Windows crashing and software applications that aren't compatible. So let's go and show you how to do this. You're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in, I think it's group policy edit. It's gpedit.msc, and you're going to see it up at the top. We're going to click on that and it's going to pop up this screen. Now we're going to go zoom, let's pull this over here a little bit. Okay, so now you're going to go to this option right here, click on that, and then you're going to go down all the way to this option right here, and then down to, let's see, let's find it here. It's this option. Okay, and on the right side you're going to see the group policy. You're going to look for Windows Update, this option right here, double click on it. Now this is where you're going to disable the Windows Update downloads, and up at the top you're going to change it to the enable option, and then over here you're going to change it to number 2, and you can leave all the other stuff underneath. Take the check mark out there, go down to the bottom, and make sure your screen looks exactly like this. And on the right side you're going to see the description to what these items mean. So once you've done all this, you're going to click the apply button. Now I already set this up, so I'm going to hit the OK, and there you go, it's now set. So now we're going to go check out Windows updates again. Same setting up there, and then you're going to see, we're going to click on this to show you the group policy is now enabled. So now Windows will not update without your permission. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching guys, Jack of All Trades. I'll try to come up with some more interesting videos to come in the future. Have a good day.